Today we will turn the scallop into this, and this. Try your favorites.
Hi everyone, this is Yuri.
And Akira です。
Today we will make 3 kinds of scallop dishes from poached scallop we prepared from previous episode. Okay, so we have our favorite plate out. Perfect for scallop dishes like this. Shiso for tsuma today. I'll cut the stem off. Plate it. Now this is the scallop we prepared from last episode. Here, this part is so-called smooth muscle. We don't really need this as it's a little stiff to eat it as a sashimi. So let's get rid of this. We'll save it for later and add it in a miso soup. Let's wash scallop with amazu, sweet vinegar. This is called suarai. We do this to all raw shellfishes. This is to get rid of fishiness, to kill germs, and to avoid scallop to further dehydrate. Now, the moment everyone has been waiting for. Let's start slicing the sashimi. To begin with, any kind of kitchen knife is fine. The key motion is to pull the knife towards you, just like this. Start slicing from the edge of the blade and use the whole of the knife like this.Always pulls the knife towards you. Decorate it with slice of lemon and we're done. お刺身の完成です。さてさて、next up is Isobyaki nori sandwich grilled scallop. First, let's make spicy soy sauce. Here, Akira-san is showing you 黒七味. Originally, we use ichimi or Sansho, but we only had this at home. As long as you can get a kick out of it, any spice is fine.Pick a large scallop, then get rid of smooth muscle. Then to make the texture into a better one, let's make shallow and small cuts in a lattice. This way it helps soy sauce to soak in better too. Dip it in this spicy soy sauce, then leave it for a total of 5 minutes.Now switch on the fish grill. If you don't have a fish grill at home, heat your pan and grill both sides until it's golden brown. While we wait for scallop, let's prepare nori, dried seaweed sheet. Break a sheet of nori into 4 pieces. It's like a paper, so it's very easy to fold. The shinier side is the front, and the coarse side is the back.We have this little barbecue grilling net, so place this directly onto the cooking stove. Then stroke it with pile of nori. Our scallop is ready. Sandwich it with nori and enjoy the gorgeous crispiness. Aroma of charred shoyu, crispy texture of nori with a mouthful of sweet scallop is something to die for.Last but not least, we will do a bonus track, uni and scallops. Can't get any better. Many people, including myself, probably opt for raw uni most of the time, but this grilled combo of shellfish is more than amazing. You should definitely give it a try. Procedure is same as isobyaki, except that we don't soak into soy sauce. Instead, we lightly sprinkle salt. Just grill one side.Get it out from the grill, then flip it on the other side. Prepare your uni, then put on as much as you want. Yay! Now dab on nikiri shoyu. Paint it on uni like this. Then back on the grill. Slice it into 3 while it's hot.To finish it off, Akira-san will sprinkle this beautiful Japanese pepper. ホタテのウニのっけ焼き、出来上がりです。We hope you enjoy!
召し上がれ Thank you and ありがとう
See you in the next video!